Hey everyone, welcome back. So the snow has fallen and that means it's time to get the chickens ready for winter. We got the water heater here, as you can see. Girls are making all the noise here. We got their water heater. I like to put it up just after the first snowfall so that their water doesn't freeze up and they can have access to it at any time and I don't gotta lug water out twice a day. I'm gonna be doing the same thing for the hen. I have her a cozy heater that I put inside of her coop, and I like to put some pine boughs down, so we'll be doing that as well. But for now, it's getting the water heater installed. So we just got finished with the chickens. I'm gonna deal with the turkey now. We got some spruce boughs for her. We're gonna put the bedding in. She also has her cozy coop in there. For those of you that don't know what a cozy coop is, it's just a little radiant heater. It's very safe, it saves on electricity, and it doesn't get too hot, but enough to keep your chickens warm and our turkey through the dead of winter. We're gonna get all this set up, plus we have her food and her water, and she'll be good. This is the coop we have her in. This is where she comes at night. During the day, we let her out and she roams around the property, but at nighttime, we just have a lot of predators around here and we're deep in the woods, so we keep her locked up at nighttime so that nothing gets at her and she's safe. So, all right, let's get to work. All right, so the turkey is now done. As you can see, that's her little exit out into her little pen, and then she can leave and go off and roam the homestead if she wants, but she likes to hang out with the chickens. So here's her little bough bed. So she's a little warmer in the nighttime, plus she's got a lot of pine chips in there. She's got her food, her water, her cozy heater that looks like a little flat panel TV. She's good to go for this winter. And it's just keeping up the maintenance of adding more bedding as we get into the winter. Make sure their waters are good. She has a heated water bowl, but for now I'm just keeping this one in here because it's pretty big and it hasn't gotten that cold yet. So once it gets cold enough that this pot will freeze up, we're gonna put in her her heater as well. Her water heater, sorry. Yeah. Let's look at these girls loving life. Scratching their bedding around. We just put some extra bedding in and set up their water heater because winter's coming and we want to make sure our girls are set up properly so that they are as comfortable as possible. This will be their third winter, so they're pretty well versed in how it goes, but still want to make sure they're comfortable. I like to give our chickens some corn before they go to bed. It just helps keep them warm at night. Corn takes a while to digest, so you got to make sure it's whole corn. Like I'm spreading it about. That one's dust bathing. You can see this one here has been molting. So I've just been giving her some extra meat, making sure all the birds get some extra protein, just so they're good going into winter. Again, like I said, just every little bit helps. Hey girls. I'm just loving it. They get so many snacks. They're so spoiled. So we did put some bedding inside of their coop as well, because you just want to make sure that they're all good and there's no drafts and they have a lot of bedding, because we like to do the layering method where you just add bedding throughout the winter time, and basically when they poo inside of their coop, and the droppings will just compost and heat up the coop that way. But get their food bowl there, water heater. Also keep an eye on their combs throughout the winter. If you notice their combs start to go really white or even black spots, that means that they're getting frostbite, and you're probably going to want to put some Vaseline on that just to help them out. I know it sounds funny, but maybe give them a little chicken hat. But so keep an eye on that, especially for your chicken breeds that have much larger combs. You want your girls to be as comfortable as possible, especially in those -10, -20. Okay, I'm going to let these girls be now. They've already spread out all the wood chips, and they've been munching out, so they're probably pretty full. And we'll still keep going. Yeah. The life of a chicken. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. I'll keep you up to date on how the chickens are doing throughout this winter.